Hello, my friend. How are you doing? I hope you're fine. As per our last conversation, this is a quick tutorial about using PJSIP at Issabel Beta. Little disclaimer, I would recommend you not to use this beta version into production machines, okay? This is worthy of being said because some things can be broken, and while it's not stable, not published yet the latest ISO, so you can install with the support, so you can put it in your lab and make it work, and then we're gonna wait for the final ISO and put it in production, okay? The main feature, the main objective, or let's say that the main perception of PJSIP in production, let's say, is the capability to register more than one extension or more than one device at the same extension, and that's what I'm going to show you here. First off, my lab is running under Proxmox virtual environment, so let's boot up. This is called Issabel Beta. So I'm going to start machine, and I'm going to show you the steps. It's quite simple to make it work, but a couple of things we have to observe. So I guess let's see the prompts. I guess this machine will be using the IP 192.168. Let's check it out. .1.110. Let's check also if asterisk is up and running. Yes, it is. So 192.168.1.110. I have installed, because it's a lab, I have installed the certificate. Admin, the regular testing password. Okay. What we're gonna do is, as soon as it is regular Issabel installed here, you can click on updates, repositories, and enable beta RPM repository for Issabel. Okay, so once you've done that, save update, and then we can go back to the prompt and run yum update. Time for my coffee. I have done that before, so I guess we won't have any other packages to be updated. Okay, so when you're doing that, this will download the packages of beta repository, and then as you're gonna see here, PJSIP ready to go. Show endpoints. Okay, so I have already created this 1012 extension. I'm going to show you here how to do that. At PBX configuration. When you're about to create the extension, you have to regularly, you just click submit, and this will create a generic SIP device. It means that if I click here, this is going to create a channel SIP, the regular SIP stack from asterisk. So this is not what we want. So if I want to create PJSIP, I'm gonna hit it here, this drop down menu, and select generic PJSIP device. Okay, let's create 1013 just as an example. 1013, display name will be the same. I won't use it, so I'm gonna keep the secret net and everything like it is. hit submit and apply. Okay, a couple of things to consider. Let's use the extension example, which one I've already created here. I have this 1012, the secret I have changed, and we are going to see something different here on PJSIP. You can identify here with dial PJSIP 1012, and this is the thing, max contacts. This is, I'm being generic here, but this is the number you have to change in order to register more extensions instead of one. The default is one, but let's say that I want to register the same extension in 5 devices. That's what I've done here. So I just switch it, I changed it, I mean, from 1 to 5. So it means that I can, as soon as I've done that, we're going to check this out. So let's get back to this at my CLI, and I'm going to register, oh, sorry, I am going to register another extension using here. Let's check out something is very important here. Let's hit it. When we're using PJSIP, by default, it's gonna use the port 5066 for registration. Okay, so you have to set this port right here when you're about to register your extension. I'm using Twinkle here, but it's all the same if you're using another soft phone, if you're using an IP phone as endpoint, so you just don't forget to put the specific port right here. Okay, so as soon as I hit run, it's right here, registration succeeded. We can check this out here, and then PJSIP show endpoints. What we have here is my extension registered here. Let's send star 43.
You are about to enter an echo test. In this mode.
Alright, so we have our channel working here at the PJSIP in one extension. The other thing I'm going to do is I have on this old smartphone another soft phone, which is Grandstream Wave, and it's set up also as 1012, also configured with the port 5066. So I'm gonna hit GS Wave, and you're gonna realize that here registered another one. So I have here now 2 endpoints with the same extension. One is this device, or this soft phone registered on my device, my computer at the IP 102, and the second one is my soft phone, my Grandstream Wave on my smartphone. And this is the thing. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to send a call from my 1012 here to my 1012 here. Okay, so let's hit it. We have audio
ready and working perfectly.
And the other test, we're gonna send another call from 1012 here to 1012 here. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm gonna respond. We have audio working perfectly on the PJSIP. Okay, so piece of cake, as I've mentioned before. Hope you like it, and please let me know if you have comments and other questions about it. Okay, thank you so much.